Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a high sugar diet overnight oats recipe. And check it out. You're gonna need old-fashioned rolled oats. You're gonna need almond milk, maple syrup, chia seeds, vanilla extract, and dairy-free yogurt as the base. Put a half a cup of rolled oats into each cup, a half a cup of almond milk into each cup, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Then you're going to add half the non-dairy vanilla yogurt into each cup. Then you're going to stir it up and throw it in the refrigerator overnight. There it comes out the next day. It's ready to eat. Some topping suggestions are bananas. You can use some coconut flakes. You could use honey, cherries, berries, and let me show you what I used here. I just used bananas and frozen blueberries and some honey. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.